to tell you please take care of yourself. Then with tear-stained eyes I sadly said goodbye as I waved and wished you farewell. Then I think of how much longer I must wait. I look inside myself and feel something new. I wanna stop and grow up a bit. It's all because I'm feeling sad and then I cry. I don't know why. The courage that I need, the power to succeed, gives me the strength to fly. It's all because of when I see my friends, oh my. Every time they're always behind me, pushing me on, lighting the fire in me. Then suddenly my power and confidence start swelling up, magically erupt. And it's all because of kindness that I feel from people I don't even know. I won't forget the times we shared and our pleasant days. Always